What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Mega Monday. Yes, I'm still alive. Apparently. It's been 3 weeks since I've uploaded a video, I believe. School is exactly as busy as I suspected. I literally have no time to make videos, guys. I swear. Yeah, so luckily, today I'm able to make Mega Monday because of, Columbus Day or fall break. It's one of the two. I don't even know why I have today off. One of those. Anywho, before we talk about Mega Monday, at all, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded. I had 127 subscribers last time I checked. I have 175 right now. That is a 48 subscriber difference, I believe. Guys, what on earth? That is absurd. I have gained so many subscribers when I have not even been uploading. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. That is amazing. What makes me laugh is the reason why I have so many subscribers now. Let me introduce my new, most viewed video, biggest. For copyright purposes, I'm not going to play the rest of that. 20,000 views. 20,000! I posted this a year ago, and it randomly blew up. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It's awesome. Now on to the memes. Mega Monday 25. If you do not know what Mega Monday is, let me explain. Mega Monday is where you guys send in your best memes on my server, and I react to them every Monday. As right now, it is during the school year, only whenever I have breaks. Without further ado, let's get right into it! Still don't know where that guy is, but we'll find him one day.
I have been publicly humiliated for the last time!
I don't remember that happening in SpongeBob. No! Whoever made this, I will find you, and I will... Me awakening to the sound of Discord notification.
Hey, Michael, is that you? It's not Michael.
Oh, that's a funny meme. I don't know how that... Okay, whatever. Worcestershire sauce.
Let's play football. World Cup!
Bruh.
Let's play football. Let's play football. Let's play football. World Cup!
Guys, stop. Stop.
Let's play football.
Stop! I don't...
Let's play football. Let's play football.
No! Get me away from this!
Let's play football.
You to form valuable friendships with those around you. But first, let's discuss friendship. Friendship is a myth.
Nice.
Let's play. Let's play. Let's play.
I'm not watching any of these.
By God's light, I smite you!
Is that Barney? Why are they doing that to Barney?
Let's play football. Let's play.
Stop!
Remember, lad. Sergeant, the enemy is in that direction. Roger that. We're moving that direction. Dude, I would not want to be put up against that thing. That is absurd. Is this for ground troops, or is this for this? This has got to be like for the air. It has to be table tennis. Jeez. See, I play tennis. Disclaimer: this doesn't actually happen in table tennis.
Oh, brother.
Spoiler. Adding one to the Rickroll counter. Man rescued after being lost in IKEA for 12 days.
prophecy is true. You guys are wrong.
Let's play football.
Oh, finally!
Baby, that's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
A good beam, finally. Jeez. Thank you. I'm gonna need it. Just for fun of it, we're gonna put water in my mouth until I even think about laughing. Alright, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. I like that. I like that. Hold up. I'm gonna save that.
Grease monkey. Yeah.
This is a TF2 reference.
Alrighty then.
Space. Alrighty then. I don't know how he does that. Brother. What the? What happened? Oh wait, so okay, something shot off. That must have been like an electrical breaking, but even if like an electrical broke, I mean, what does it react? Why is there fire? It reacted with something and it did not end well. I don't know what happened. Oh, pickpocketer. Brother really did done just got caught. Please. Okay. In all actuality, though, he could have just walked off with it. I mean, are they really about to have face recognition? I mean, look at this, the quality of this camera. I don't know. I mean, look at that. That's like something I could draw in art class. Rickroll. Oh. First of all, RIP to this guy. Second of all, that's a 1 to the Rickroll counter.
Please, as if you could handle even a fraction of my power.
Nice.
Hello, boys! I'm back!
Nice. Let's go! Oh, and he busted. Welcome, Jonkerton.
Good morning, Uncle Gorgeous.
How much is this?
So buy 4, get 1 free.
I'll have the free one.
No, Gorgeous, you mean to pay for this? Gorgeous!
Wow. Too smart.
Love that part of the night where the cravings really kick in and you just know deep
Oh,
down
is it
in your
gonna be
gut that
milk?
it's time for a nice good old late night bowl of peas.
Never let them know your next move, man. Never let them know.
Ah yes, Perry the Platypus. You were falling for my latest trap that makes you read this entirely in my voice.
Ha! Got him!
Chicken nugget.
Alright, man, I think that's where I'm gonna end the memes today. Wow. Thank you guys so much for these amazing memes. I don't know when I'll be uploading again. No clue. But, hopefully, it won't be too long. Thank you guys so much again just for all the support, and I'll, see you again later.